You know what's really interesting? I feel like I hit a new level in my growth as an adult after that, right? I hit a new level. There was like a clarity that my head had. My head has this clarity now. I have this like there's a different kind of clarity that I have, but I've hit a new level. Like I feel more grounded now. Like I feel more. When you're young, you got a bunch of like stuff running through you, and it's fun, but it can lead you in the wrong direction and so forth. I feel like that has significantly cooled down, right? And it happened really soon after that work, right? So in my mind, it went well. What's interesting is uh, I took out the little man, right? This new place that I've wanted to be. So yeah, it went well. I think it went well. I think it went very well. Yeah, I did well. It went really well. So I have a lot of clarity and a lot of like I don't know, something's different, and it's good. It's a good different. I'm more grounded.